Welcome to English Chat Flow.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Chat Flow, your friendly place to learn English through simple and real conversations. I'm Melissa.
And I'm Mark. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, very happy. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but very important.
Yes, something we all do every day.
Your daily routine,
That means the things you do every day.
from morning to night.
Wake up, eat, work, relax.
And sleep again.
Yes, life is a loop sometimes.
So, if you're listening now, think about your day.
What do you do first in the morning?
Do you wake up early?
Or do you sleep a little longer?
Don't worry if your English is not perfect.
This is A1 to A2 level, so we will speak slowly and clearly.
Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the conversation.
Yes, just relax and learn step by step.
Okay, Mark, let me ask you something.
I'm ready.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
That's a nice time.
Not too early, not too late. What about you?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Oh, wow, that's early.
Yes, I like quiet mornings.
What do you do first when you wake up?
First, I open my eyes.
Very important. Step one.
Yes, step one. Then I get out of bed and drink a glass of water.
That's a good habit.
It helps me feel fresh. What about you? What do you do first?
I check my phone.
Ah, the phone again.
Yes, not the best habit.
Many people do that.
I look at messages, maybe some social media.
And then?
Then I say, okay, I need to get up now.
After that, I go to the bathroom and brush my teeth.
Same here. Brushing your teeth is very important.
Yes, every morning and every night.
Good sentence for learners. I brush my teeth.
Very useful and very common.
Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I usually take a shower in the morning.
Me too, but not always.
Not always?
Sometimes I feel too sleepy.
Okay, honest answer. After my shower, I get dressed.
What do you usually wear?
Something simple, like a t-shirt and jeans.
Comfortable style.
Yes, I like to feel relaxed.
After I get dressed, I go to the kitchen.
To make breakfast?
Yes, but very simple breakfast.
What do you eat?
I usually eat eggs and bread.
That sounds good.
And I always drink coffee.
Of course, coffee.
I cannot start my day without coffee.
I'm a little different.
Oh, really?
I usually eat something light.
Like what?
Yogurt or fruit.
That's healthy.
And I drink tea.
Tea in the morning?
Yes, I like tea more than coffee.
Interesting. So we have two different routines.
Yes, different, but both simple. After breakfast, I like to sit for a few minutes.
You relax.
Yes, I sit quietly and think about my day.
That's nice.
I ask myself, what do I need to do today?
That's like planning your day.
Yes, simple planning.
I don't really do that.
No?
No, I move fast.
Fast?
Yes, after breakfast, I check my schedule and get ready quickly.
So no quiet time?
Not really.
That's interesting. You are more active in the morning.
And you are more calm.
Yes, I like slow mornings.
I think I need slow mornings.
Maybe you do.
Less phone, more quiet time.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's review some simple sentences for our listeners.
Good idea.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I eat breakfast.
I drink coffee.
These are very useful for daily life.
Try to say them with us.
Practice every day.
And remember, your routine can be simple,
It doesn't need to be perfect.
just real.
Just your life.
And sometimes small things in the morning can change your whole day.
Yes, like how you start your morning.
If you start calm, your day feels calm.
If you start busy, your day feels busy.
So your morning routine is very important.
It's the beginning of your day.
And every day starts with small actions. Even something simple like drinking water or taking a deep breath can make a difference.
After the morning, the day continues, and then we move into the afternoon.
The afternoon is usually when people work or study.
Yes, this is the busy time for many people.
So, Mark, what do you usually do in the afternoon?
I usually work in the afternoon.
What time do you start?
I start work at 9 a.m. and continue into the afternoon.
So you are busy for many hours.
Yes, I work, take short breaks, and then work again.
That's very common.
What about you? Do you work or study?
I usually work too, but sometimes I also study new things.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, I like learning.
Let's share some simple sentences for learners.
Good idea.
I go to work.
I start work at 9 a.m.
I study English.
I take a break.
Break is an important word,
Yes, a break means you stop working for a short time,
like 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
or sometimes longer.
What do you do during your breaks?
I like to walk a little or drink tea.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it helps me feel better.
I usually check my phone again.
Again?
Yes, I know. I use my phone too much.
Many people do.
Sometimes I also listen to music.
Oh, that's nice.
Music helps me relax.
Me too. I like soft music during the day.
Do you eat lunch at home or outside?
I usually eat lunch at home.
What do you eat?
Something simple like rice, vegetables, or soup.
That sounds healthy. I sometimes eat outside.
Really?
Yes, I go to a small restaurant.
What do you order?
Maybe chicken and rice or a sandwich.
Lunch is an important part of the day.
Yes, it gives you energy.
Energy means strength to continue your day.
Good word.
After lunch, I feel a little sleepy sometimes,
Me too.
especially after a big meal.
Yes, your body wants to rest.
But we usually continue working.
Yes, no sleeping at work.
Maybe just a little.
In the afternoon, I also answer emails.
Emails are messages for work.
Yes, very common in daily routines.
I also have meetings sometimes.
Meetings can be long.
Yes, sometimes too long.
So, listeners, here are some useful phrases.
I work in the afternoon.
I take a break.
I eat lunch.
I listen to music.
I answer emails.
Try to repeat these sentences.
Practice speaking every day.
Not every afternoon is the same.
Yes, some days are busy.
Some days are calm.
And some days are very slow.
Yes, those slow days feel long.
But they can also be relaxing.
After the afternoon, we slowly move into the evening.
The energy changes.
Yes, people start to relax more.
But before we talk about the evening,
Let's think about one question.
do you like your daily routine?
Good question. Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That's honest.
Some days feel good and easy,
And some days feel boring or tiring.
but having a routine can help your life.
Yes, it gives structure.
Structure means your day has a clear order,
Wake up, eat, work, rest.
step by step.
And when you understand your routine,
You can talk about it in English more easily.
and also you can change it.
Yes, if something is not good, you can improve it.
Maybe wake up earlier.
Or take more breaks.
Or use your phone less.
Yes, I need that one.
So your daily routine is not fixed forever.
You can change it little by little.
And those small changes,
Can make your day better.
and when your day feels better,
Your life feels better too.
and as the day continues, the evening starts to feel different.
Yes, the evening is usually a time to relax.
After work or study, people want to rest.
Exactly. So, Mark, what do you usually do in the evening?
After work, I go home.
Straight home?
Yes, most days. I feel tired.
That's normal.
When I get home, I sit down for a few minutes.
You rest first?
Yes, I just sit and do nothing.
That sounds nice.
Sometimes I watch TV.
What do you watch?
Simple shows, maybe something funny.
Comedy?
Yes, comedy helps me relax.
I also like relaxing in the evening.
What do you do?
Sometimes I read a book.
Oh, that's calm.
Yes, I like quiet activities.
Do you use your phone in the evening?
A little, but not too much.
I use it too much again.
You and your phone.
Yes, I need to change that.
Maybe tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes.
What do you cook?
Very simple food again.
Like what?
Maybe pasta or rice.
I also cook simple meals.
Cooking is a good skill.
Yes, and it's useful every day.
Sometimes I order food.
Oh, lazy day?
Yes, lazy day.
That's okay. Everyone has lazy days.
Yes, we are human.
After dinner, what do you do?
I relax more.
More relaxing?
Yes, more relaxing. Maybe I watch videos or listen to music.
I like to take a short walk in the evening.
That's a good habit.
It helps me feel calm.
Evening is a good time to slow down.
Yes, slow down is a good phrase.
It means to relax and go slower.
After that, we prepare for sleep.
Yes, night routine.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
That's a good time. What about you? Around 10:30 p.m.
Earlier than me again.
Yes, I like enough sleep.
Before sleep, what do you do?
I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here.
Sometimes I read a little.
I just close my eyes quickly.
Fast sleeper.
Yes, I fall asleep fast.
That's a good skill.
Let's share some useful evening sentences.
Good idea.
I go home.
I eat dinner.
I watch TV.
I relax.
I go to bed.
These are very useful for daily conversations.
You can use them every day.
So now we talked about morning
Afternoon.
and evening,
That is your full daily routine.
from wake up to sleep.
And remember, your routine can be different.
Yes, everyone is different.
Some people wake up early.
Some people wake up late.
Some people work.
Some people study.
The important thing is,
You can talk about your life in English.
simple sentences are enough.
You don't need difficult words.
Just practice every day.
And speak a little every day.
Let's try something together.
Yes.
Say this. I wake up at.
I eat breakfast.
I work or study.
I relax in the evening.
I go to bed at.
Very good.
You are practicing already.
Before we finish, let's ask one simple question.
Yes.
What is one thing in your daily routine you like?
Maybe your morning coffee.
Or your evening walk?
Or your quiet time.
Think about it.
And maybe say it in English.
You can also write it.
Practice helps you improve.
And remember,
English is part of your daily routine too.
just a little every day.
Step by step.
This is Melissa.
And this is Mark.
Take care of yourself.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Bye-bye.